If you're thinking of selling on Amazon, or if you are currently selling on Amazon, of course you're always thinking of ways to increase and improve your sales. Well, in this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 main tips and a bonus tip if you watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Before we get going, subscribe to the channel. If you want to sell on Amazon in the Middle East, then work with the Amazon Sellers Society. Check out our website. Tip number 1, go global. Especially if you're selling in the Middle East, you want to be selling to other countries in the Middle East, and you also want to be selling globally so that you can expand your market as much as possible. In order to make sure that you're able to expand globally and that Amazon can support you with that, go to your Amazon Seller Central dashboard right now, click on the settings and choose Fulfillment by Amazon. And make sure that these 2 features are enabled. Both of them are only found in Amazon UAE accounts at the moment. So you need to make sure that you have the FBA exports from Amazon.ae enabled and allow Amazon to buy my products to sell globally also enabled. This essentially means, like I said, Amazon, if they find that your products might be in demand in other marketplaces, you will simply find them listed on other marketplaces but being sold by Amazon. If somebody purchases the product in that marketplace, let's say in Saudi Arabia, then Amazon will purchase the product from you and deliver it from Amazon UAE all the way to Amazon KSA without you having to do anything. Basically, you're getting a sale while your products are sitting in the Amazon warehouse in the UAE. Absolutely perfect. Number 2, Amazon coupon codes. I've talked about coupon codes a lot, but I rarely see a lot of people actually using coupon codes. So I'm on Amazon.ae right now, and if you see, I'm searching for like earbuds. I'm gonna have to scroll to the middle of the page or even sometimes to the bottom of the page to find something with a coupon code. As you can see, coupon codes are highlighted in green and they really pop on the page. So having a coupon code is quite easy to set up, and I think it just attracts a lot of attention. And it's super simple to create a discount code, or a discount coupon code rather. All you need to do is go into your advertising dashboard, choose coupons, choose whatever ASINs or products you intend to add into that coupon. The minimum coupon code has to be 5%, and then you can decide on the date of the start date and the end date for that coupon code. And the cool thing is that you can see how many people have actually clicked on it and how many people have redeemed it, or basically clipped it in coupon language, which basically means how many people purchased the product because of that coupon. Test it out and let me know what you think. Tip number 3, PPC ads. Definitely PPC ads and ads in general drive more traffic to your listing. However, I'm going to show you a way where you can create a special ad campaign where you can steal sales from your competitors. In order to do so, we're going to have to use a tool such as Helium 10. If you don't already use Helium 10, or if you haven't started using it, then please use my special discount code. It'll save you 20% for the next 6 months. So you're going to get a discount of around $150. So I'm back on Amazon, and this time I decided to search for meal prep containers, which are meal prep containers. So let's open the Helium 10 drop-down extension, click on X-ray, and we're gonna get all of the products that are currently listed under this keyword. So what I wanna look at is, if I'm selling this something very similar, I'm gonna go to the end and find creation date, and I'm gonna click on that. I want to find the newest products listed on Amazon, because I will be targeting these new products. Now, if you look at them, if you see, you find like there's this product that is currently advertised. So they're actually advertising, they're paying money for people to enter into their listing. They have 40 reviews, and the product is being sold at 54 dirhams, and it's just a few months old. It's not really new. So one thing to do would be to check out this listing. And if this is a good product for me to target, if I'm selling something similar but better, I can create a product targeting campaign so that my ad, it shows up right here or even right here, whereby when customers click on this product that is being advertised, they will find my product and hopefully buy my product because my product is better. That's if your product is better. Creating a product targeting campaign is pretty simple. You just create a regular sponsored ad campaign. Instead of automatic, you choose manual targeting. And once you do that, instead of keyword targeting, you need to choose product targeting. Once you select product targeting, remember all of the ASINs that you have selected. You can simply go into individual products and enter the list of ASINs that we have searched for and add them one by one here. And then you can just add the information that you need and then launch the campaign. If you've made it this far into the video, congratulations, you are a winner. But make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you like this video, and you leave me a comment in the comment section below so that you can enter our video giveaway where you can win a consultation call with me so that we can talk one-on-one everything related to Amazon. And my last and final bonus tip is about working with influencers. We all know social media is absolutely incredible, and working with influencers either globally or within the region where you operate and where you sell is absolutely incredible to push your sales, and it can be free. Let me jump on TikTok and show you how you can find influencers and what you need to do. Finding great influencers on TikTok is super easy. You just go into TikTok and type in a trending keyword such as Amazon Finds. You'll potentially find some products, but choose accounts and then you'll find literally hundreds of accounts. You need to choose the account that works best for you with the marketplace that you're selling in and the types of products. You just click on the account and you see how is the best way to contact them. Sometimes you can DM them directly through TikTok, or sometimes you have to go to Instagram to find another account, or maybe even an email. Let me know which tip was your favorite and which one will you start implementing straight away. I'm curious to know. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.